The iPhone 17e is already making headlines with several early leaks, suggesting that Apple is once again preparing to launch a more affordable model alongside its flagship iPhone 17 lineup. Based on reports from multiple reliable sources, the iPhone 17e is expected to launch around May 2026, giving Apple enough time to test and polish a product that targets budget-conscious users while retaining some premium features from its more expensive counterparts. Leaked details suggest the iPhone 17e will retain a 6.1-inch OLED display, which is the same screen size and panel type used in the iPhone 16e. However, to keep costs down, the refresh rate is likely to remain at 60 Hz, unlike the Pro models that offer smoother 120 Hz performance. The possibility of including Dynamic Island is still uncertain, with sources conflicted on whether Apple will keep it exclusive to the more expensive models or finally bring it to the E-series. On the performance side, leaks indicate that Apple may equip the iPhone 17e with the A19 chip, the same processor expected to power the standard iPhone 17. This move would align with Apple's recent trend of offering flagship-level performance in lower-priced models. Paired with 8 GB of RAM, the A19 chip could make the iPhone 17e a powerful device for everyday users, especially with Apple's software optimization in iOS 19. Some sources also claim the iPhone 17e could support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, matching the wireless capabilities of its premium siblings. Camera leaks are also promising. The iPhone 17e may feature a 50-megapixel rear sensor, which would be a significant jump found in older base models. The front camera might be upgraded to a 24-megapixel sensor, offering sharper selfies and improved video call quality. Apple is likely to include Night Mode, Smart HDR, and Deep Fusion as standard features, which could make the iPhone 17e one of the best camera phones in its price range. By the way, did you like iPhone E series? Let us know in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. In terms of battery, leaks from industry insiders mention a 4,061 mAh battery capacity for the iPhone 17e. This would provide better endurance than most previous non-Pro models. Fast charging is expected to be supported, but as always, Apple might sell the charging adapter separately. MagSafe support is also rumored, continuing Apple's strategy of unifying accessories across its lineup. Design-wise, not much is expected to change. The iPhone 17e will likely follow the same flat-edge aluminum design as the 16e, with IP68 water and dust resistance. Some rumors mention a slightly lighter frame, possibly due to thinner components or changes in internal layout, but no major redesign is anticipated. Pricing leaks hint that the iPhone 17e will be launched at around $649, keeping it competitive with other upper mid-range smartphones. With all these improvements, the iPhone 17e seems positioned to offer great value, especially for users who want Apple hardware without paying flagship prices. These leaks are based on early reports and Apple's usual patterns. And while things could change before launch, the current information paints a picture of a solid, feature-packed phone. If Apple follows the same approach as last year, we can expect more accurate leaks in the coming months that confirm or refine these early details. What do you think about the iPhone 17e? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.